Hey guys, Anton Bond here, and I'm at one of my latest listings, 2736 Reno Drive, and this one's the neighborhood of Evergreen. And guys, this is a parent's dream come true. We got an elementary school and a middle school rated 8, high school perfect 10. On top of that, we got a daycare center that's just 2 doors down. Recreation, we have Lake Cunningham and CaliBunga Water Park just at your footsteps here. This property, single family house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square feet, sit on a big 6,000 square foot lot. Folks, this will not last long. Enough of me, let's take a look around. Okay guys, you have seen this property, but only digitally. Now it's time for you to take a tour and experience this property yourself.